Folks, today I want to explain to you how do you get started in this protocol. What steps do you need to take? Now, if you're coming from a standard American diet, which means you eat milk, animal products, processed foods, cooked foods, you need to go on a transition. This means you basically eat fruits, breakfast, lunch, and dinner you can have a salad. This is done for a week or two. And then from there, we're going to move on into a all fruits diet. And when I speak of fruits, I speak of, oranges, grapes. And this is going to be the mainstay of your diet for weeks on end. I personally like to keep things very simple. And to be honest with you, it's more effective when you just pick one fruit and eat it morning, breakfast, and dinner. And go for 2, 3, 4 weeks. My personal favorite is grapes. They're delicious, they're sweet, and whenever you're hungry, just eat it. There's no calorie counting here. There's no nothing to watch out for. So basically, the fruits are gonna cleanse you out. You're gonna feel your body cleaning itself. In fact, for the first few days you do this, you might experience cold and flu symptoms, headaches, fevers. You might have mucus coming out. There's gonna be a lot of strange things happening, and it's gonna be 2 to 3 days. And if you're not aware of this, you're going to be saying, oh, the fruits are causing it. Fruits only bring out what's bad inside you. In other words, if there's stuff inside you that should not be there, the fruits are going to bring it out. So you want that to happen. It's very important that it does happen, because if that bad stuff doesn't come out, eventually it accumulates and leads to very serious problems, health problems, weight gain, degenerative, like really, really bad issues, illnesses, and you don't want to have those things, okay? I'm talking about the big C. I'm talking about, arthritis, and every single problem you can imagine is in there. The body accumulates all these toxins, all this bad food and mucus, and it can't function properly, and cells begin to break down, and that's when you have severe health issues. So again, it's very simple. If you are coming off of a standard American diet, you're gonna eat fruits, breakfast, lunch, and dinner you can have a salad. If you're willing and strong enough and you want to avoid the salad, then go for fruits straight out, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You can eat any kind of fruits you want. We just ask you don't mix melons with any fruits, because melons digest really fast. And, don't mix acidic fruits with sweet fruits like bananas, dates. So personally speaking, I stick to grapes. It's an absolute favorite, again, I mentioned, or oranges. Sometimes I'll go oranges, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. These are acidic, by the way. Acidic, meaning that they're not acidic like protein, but they can be highly aggressive, and they'll bring mucus up, and they'll bring all the toxins out for you. So I put this one of my favorites, oranges. Now, just stick to it. The average protocol usually will last about 14 to 16 weeks in length. And in that time, you're going to see a lot of changes. Skin is going to clear up, hair is going to start growing. You're going to look amazing. There's going to be some amazing energy. You're going to say to yourself, why didn't I do this sooner? Why am I not now learning about this? You're going to feel, I can't tell you more enough, fantastic. It's just going to be something that you're going to say, this is it, this is my lifestyle. The proof is in the pudding, so I encourage you to try it. And I'll be there for you. If you have any questions, please do ask.